Yo, it's Conduit Money coming with another video. Okay. What's up, YouTube? Conduit Money coming with another video. I wanted to share with you guys something I just purchased on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm a big advocate of buying and selling used stuff because it works. A lot of stuff people buy for a project that they don't end up finishing, or they got a car that didn't need these parts any longer because it's not working, or whatever it may be, whatever the case is. I like shopping for used stuff. A lot of the times you can just get a better deal on it. Sometimes you do get burned, but the benefits usually outweigh the cons, at least for me. So hang tight, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So power steering pump like this costs about $180, I think, at the parts store, refurbished. Are you holding it up right? Is it up right? I didn't want to pay that. It's not at one point in the process of me doing this build, I didn't even want to have power steering. I was just fed up with trying to make it work. So I was just gonna delete it. But anyways, I was able to buy this power steering pump for $20. This power steering pump was on sale on Facebook Marketplace. He had it posted for $40. I messaged the guy, told him, hey, I messaged him, I asked him if the power steering pump was still available. He said yes. I immediately offered him, $25. He had it for sale for $40. I said, $25 today? He said yes. I ended up getting there, and right before I went to the place, I went to the ATM. I could only get $20, $40, $60, $80 out. So I called the guy and said, you know what, man, I can only get 20s. You got change? He said 20 is fine. So I ended up just buying it for $20. This is a refurbished, out the box, still new, pretty much, I think. I guess they put a little bit of fluid in them, but it's like new. I don't see any signs of wear on it. It does say it was refurbished remanufactured in the USA, and it's going to work for me, and $20 later, I got a pretty much brand new power steering pump with brand new plugs, and this is going to work for me on my Regal, and it's only $20. Most of the time when you go to buy a power steering pump, you got to turn your old one in, and the core is only worth more than $20. So in my situation, I don't think I can lose, because even if I had to go buy a new one, I could get my money back just for the core. So I just wanted to share with you guys another one of these situations where I'm able to buy something on like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. I don't really do a lot with OfferUp, but you can get good deals online if you shop around. A lot of times I still have to buy stuff new because some of my stuff is very specific, but yeah, this is a win, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you guys liked the video, you guys got any questions, leave the comments in the comment section, and subscribe, please subscribe. Slowly getting more content out. I'm trying to get more consistent with the content, but if you like the video, like it. If you have any questions, you want to let me know something, you got something to share with the group, put it in the comment section. And then if you just want to keep watching, subscribe. Thank you. Peace.